Thinking about using CASHAPP in the UK? You're in the right place to find out exactly how it works. First things first, yes, CASHAPP is available in the UK, but with a slightly different set of features compared to the US. To get started, head over to your smartphone's App Store. That's the Apple App Store if you're on iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you use an Android device. Search for CASHAPP, and once you've found it, tap on Install or Get Download and open the app once it's finished installing. Now, to create your account, you'll need to enter your UK mobile phone number or a valid email address. CASHAPP will send you a verification code. Enter this code into the app to confirm your identity. You'll then be prompted to create a unique username called a Cashtag. This is how people will find you to send you money. Choose something memorable and easy to share. Once your account is set up, sending and receiving money is straightforward. To send money, tap the Send button. Enter the recipient's Cashtag, phone number or email, the amount, and a brief note. To receive money, simply share your Cashtag with the sender. When someone sends you money, you'll get a notification and the funds will appear in your CASHAPP balance. A key feature for UK users is the cash card. You can order a physical cash card directly through the app. This debit card is linked to your CASHAPP balance and allows you to make purchases wherever Visa is accepted, Euro in stores, online, or even withdraw cash from ATMs. So there you have it. Getting set up with CASHAPP in the UK is simple, allowing you to send, receive, and spend money with ease. Happy transacting.